Another day, another story in jobs and career in biomedical. Many companies and federal employees have the opportunities for graduate school education using company or government-supported funding. What are those opportunities, benefit details and challenges? There are various opportunities for graduate education funding for companies or federal employees, depending on the employer and the program of study. Some of the common benefits are: tuition reimbursement. This is a benefit that allows an employer to cover some or all of the costs of an employee's education, as long as the program of study and related expenses fall within the guidelines of that company's specific policy. Tuition reimbursement can be used to fund, or partially fund, an undergraduate or graduate degree program. Some employers may require the employee to maintain a certain grade point average, complete the degree within a certain time frame, or stay with the company for a certain period after graduation. As the IRS allows employers to deduct up to $5,250 yearly per employee, $5,250 is a popular cap on tuition assistance for graduate studies. Some examples of companies that offer tuition reimbursement are Starbucks, UPS, Verizon, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo. Scholarships. This is a benefit that provides financial aid to an employee or their family members based on merit or need. Scholarships do not have to be repaid and may cover tuition, fees, books, or other educational expenses. Some employers may offer scholarships for specific fields of study, such as STEM or public administration. Some examples of federal employers that offer scholarships are the Department of Defense, the Department of State, and the Department of Homeland Security. There are also scholarships available from external sources, such as professional associations, foundations, or academic institutions. One example is the Federal Employee Education Fund, FEEA, which offers merit-based college scholarships to federal employees and their children. 3. Federal Academic Alliance. This is a program that partners with 23 colleges and universities to offer federal employees and in some cases their families reduced tuition rates and scholarships for degree programs deemed essential for closing government skills gaps. The alliance is designed to especially provide education in areas of human resources, information technology, acquisitions, auditor, financial, economist, and positions related to science, technology, engineering and mathematics. The new agreements include American University's Key Executive Leadership Master's degree in Public Administration, Bellevue University, Columbia College, Georgetown University Biomedical Graduate Education, University of Louisville and Michigan State University's College of Business. Some of the challenges that company or federal employees may face when pursuing graduate education funding are: balancing work and study. Pursuing a graduate degree while working full-time or part-time can be demanding and stressful. Employees may have to manage their time effectively, prioritize their tasks, communicate with their supervisors and colleagues, and cope with fatigue and pressure. Employees may also have to adjust their work schedules or take leave to accommodate their classes or exams. Meeting eligibility requirements. Employees may have to meet certain criteria to qualify for graduate education funding from their employers or other sources. These may include having a minimum length of service, having a satisfactory performance rating, obtaining approval from their managers or human resources department, choosing an accredited program or institution, maintaining a minimum grade point average, or agreeing to a service obligation after graduation. Paying taxes. Employees may have to pay taxes on some or all of the graduate education funding they receive from their employers or other sources. According to the IRS, employer-provided educational assistance benefits are tax-free up to $5,250 per year for undergraduate or graduate courses. However, any amount over $5,250 per year is taxable income unless it qualifies as a working condition fringe benefit. A working condition fringe benefit is an educational expense that an employee could deduct as a business expense if they paid for it themselves. To qualify as a working condition fringe benefit, the education must either maintain or improve skills required for the employee's current job or meet express requirements imposed by the employer or by law as a condition for keeping the job one. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Jobs and career in biomedical.